Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to disable restricted mode on TikTok. So we are in profile. On top right, you see three lines, hamburger menu. So click on it, and then you see setting and privacy option. So again click on it, and then you see content preference in content and display section. So click on it. So we are in content preference, and then you see restricted mode on. So we are going to turn off or disable it. So click on it. Now you see turn off. So click on turn off. Now you see what made you turn off restricted mode. So you can select option according to requirement and then click on submit. Now you see message, you have turned off restricted mode in TikTok. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.